kids, come sing with me. It's time to learn the ABC. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce with your feet.
C is for cat, soft and small. D is for dog, woof woof call. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learn the letters 1, 2, 3. From A to Z we clap along. A, B, C, let's sing our song.
E is for elephant, big and tall. F is for fish, swimming in the sea. G is for guitar, strum, strum, strum. H is for house, home for me.
A, B, C, come sing with me. Learn the letters 1, 2, 3. From A to Z we clap along. A, B, C, let's sing our song. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump, get on your feet. K is for kite, flying high.
L is for lion, hear him cry.
Clap, clap, clap the beat, stomp your feet, feel the heat. Spin around and sing with me, we're learning letters ABC. M is for monkey, climbing a tree. N is for nest, for you and me. O is for octopus, 8 arms long. P is for piano, play a song. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learn the letters 1, 2, 3. From A to Z we clap along. A, B, C, let's sing our song.
Q is for queen with a crown so bright.
R is for rainbow, colors of light.
S is for sun,
Shining on you. T is for train, choo choo choo.
U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for violin,
Play nice tunes,
W is for whale,
swimming free.
X is for x-ray, look inside and see. Y is for yellow, bright as the sun. Z is for zebra, stripes for fun.
Now we know our ABC. Sing again, come